For the Velcro drill, we're gonna set up with the bat on the seam line of our shoulder. So try not to be too far on top, too far underneath. And again, we're gonna be somewhere near 90 degrees in terms of our spine line and our bat angle. The concept here is turning the barrel deep so it avoids pushing the hands. And we also wanna feel our shoulder line. So we're turning the barrel on the same angle as our shoulder line. Okay, this helps us feel and stay on plane early and throughout. So try not to bring the bat off your shoulder as you work this drill. Keep it pinched throughout your swing, nice and long.